Hi everybody, it's Stuart Hillard here and welcome back to my channel, Stuart Hillard Makes. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little origami basket. It's great for putting little sweets or party favors. You could put a little Ferrero Rocher inside, that would be nice. Or even little Easter eggs. Great for table decorations. You're going to need a square of origami paper. This is 6 inches square and patterned on one side and plain on the other. You'll also need just an ordinary glue stick. So I've turned my paper so that it looks like a diamond, and then I'm going to fold it in half and crease to make a triangle, and then I'm going to fold it in half again. So the first fold's really easy, just into triangles. Okay, then what you're going to do is open up and then bring that crease straight down the center to create a little square. There's the square. Turn it over and do exactly the same thing. Open it up, keep the edges all nicely pressed together, and bring that center crease down to make a square. Okay. Now, next step, you're going to take this bottom corner and fold it up to the top. At this point, you should be able to see the pretty side of the paper. Then fold it back down, and then that bottom corner, you're going to fold up to the center and crease, and then fold the whole thing back up again. Now turn the whole thing over and repeat that step. So the bottom corner, right up to the top and press, fold it back down, and then that bottom corner up to the center point, crease, and back up to the original fold. Now, you're going to open it like the pages of a book. Okay, next step, you're going to fold this corner into the center, and into the center. And then fold this corner down to that fold you just made. Just like that. And then over on the original crease. Same thing, you've made that crease. Now bring this corner down to the fold. And then fold it back in along the original crease. Turn the whole thing over, open it up like the pages of a book, and then repeat that step. So bring this corner into the center, increase it, bring this corner into the center, and crease. And then same thing, this corner down to the fold you just made, and then back into the center along that original crease. This corner down to the crease, you just made it, and then fold the whole thing back in along that original crease. Okay, now we're going to lift it up and we're going to open the little basket up. There's the basket. Here are the handles, and we just need to glue them together. So a little bit of glue. Hold those edges together. And there's your basket, all ready to fill with something yummy. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Stuart Hillard Makes. See you next time.